Medieval History, Chapter 1, page number 3, India and the World. Apart from the system of feudalism, the pattern of life in Europe during what is called the medieval period was also shaped by the Christian Church. We have already referred to the role of Greek Orthodox Church in the Byzantine Empire of Russia and in Russia. In the absence of a powerful empire in the West, the Catholic Church took on some functions of the government as well. The Pope, who was the head of the Catholic Church, became not only a religious head but one who exercised a great deal of political and moral authority as well. For the medieval age in Europe, as the West Asia and India, was an age of religion, and those who spoke on behalf of religion exercised a great deal of power and influence. With the help of grants of land from the princes and the feudal chiefs, and donations from the rich merchants, many monastic orders and monasteries were set up. Some of these orders, such as that of the Franciscans, served the needy and the poor. Many monasteries gave medical help or shelter to the travelers. They also served as centers for education and learning. In this way, the Catholic Church played an important role in the cultural life of Europe. However, some of the monasteries, which became exceedingly wealthy, began to behave like feudal lords. This led to internal discord and conflict with the rulers who resented the worldly power of the church and the popes. We shall study the subsequent chapter how the conflict between the church and the state of Europe had an effect outside Europe as well. Thank you for tuning in. In the next part, we'll study the Arab world. All the best for exams. Do share and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.